What are you doing today, Kyle? Well, I'm glad you asked. We are going to head on down to J.M. Wood Auction and pick up a tractor we bought. So I got about a 2-hour drive ahead of me, just going south. I don't know if we're going to get into more rain or less rain, but it was raining real good this morning. Come in a little bit later today. There ain't no sense being there too early, having to load a tractor in the pouring down rain, but we're going to pick up a 323 with a hydraulic thumb that we bought. We got a big clearing job that we traded on, so we'll head down there and pick it up and load it up, bring it on back, and get it checked over and go from there. But I would say ride with me, but I'm not going to hold the phone for 2 hours or do a live video because I need to pay attention driving. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll be back whenever we hit the auction yard. We're going to head south for a little bit in old Kenworth. So stay tuned. Well, we made it. I went in and got my invoice or okay to ship. We're going to pull up in the auction and yard and go find our machine. It's been here for about a month because we've been busy and I ain't been able to get down here and pick it up because we don't have very many people. Well, we got one other person that can drive, so you gotta have another worker with him to help chain in and chain down because he can't move that well, but good guy, glad to have him. But there ain't much on the yard. There's several telehandlers and big forklifts, hose, several trucks still here. They're probably here for the next auction, but we're going to try and find our 323, and I'm trying to look and see if I can find it without having to pull all over and get out and get wet. But if you're ever looking for a machine, J.M. Wood, which is right there, auction yard in Montgomery, they have several yards. That's a 320. There's a 320F. I believe that's it right there. I just have to look at the side door because it has been damaged from the previous owner, and I do believe that is it. And it has a window open, so that means the seat's going to be soaking wet. Yep, that's it, because the door is wide open. But they got several machines. I mean, anything that you can think of, they have it. From a small shovel to wood products people make to sawed wood up to the biggest excavator that can be hauled on the highway. And I'm not gonna lie, it's wet. I probably don't want to get wet, so I'm probably gonna side load the machine. I just hope it cranks up. But that's it. So we're gonna get out and see if we can get this thing fired up and get it loaded up. Gonna sit here for a little bit till this rain dies down a little bit, and then we'll get it loaded up. Well, I got that loaded up. It stopped raining by the time I got it loaded up. It went on there pretty good. Didn't have to make no changes. Side loaded it. Got it sitting on the ground so I don't shake as much. Side loaded, spun it around. Everything seems to be good. Looks like a decent machine. It's tight. Got all auxiliary hookups. Only thing that I really noticed was door handle, or the grab handle, is messed up in the door. But other than that, everything looks good on it. This is the first time I'm checking to make sure I got it on there about normal. Shoot, I pretty doggone good. You can tell they've been doing a little clearing. A little beat up on the sides, but ain't nothing that a little bit of sheet metal and some steel. Put a cage around that thing. I don't know who's gonna do the welding to do that, but it's something that can be done and probably will be done. But anyway, we're gonna get this thing chained down. We're gonna start heading back north. Well, I got her chained down. I got the door. Thank goodness I had a bungee cord. Shouldn't go nowhere. It's kind of like a little man when you get that old ratchet strap over something, you just slap it and say, that ain't going nowhere. Hopefully it don't, but it's chained down. Boom, chained down. All four corners. Got a flag per side. I don't know where the other two flags are, but maybe it'll work. So now to get in a warm truck. And Mo Hey dude done got a little wet on the toes. So, let's put the heater on. We're gonna try and get out of here. Back up out of here and head north. I'll be back with you when we unload it. And that'll be the end of the day. Got one truck coming in now, bringing in the load. We'll see what he's gonna be bringing in before I go, because I'm just curious. All I know is dark green and big. Don't look like a tractor, but could be a grinder, mulcher, or pump or something. Done had about 10 trucks come in today. I guess everybody's had the same idea. Hey, it's a wet day, we can't work, so we're gonna do something. Go get it, what we're gonna get. It's like some type of pump system. But anyway, let's head north. It's a dirt collector. Huh, so it's a big vacuum. But anyway, I'll be back. Well, we got the old Jewel unloaded. I'm fixing to fix this. I done grabbed that sucker 5 different times after I knew it was broke. And I still almost failed 5 different times. Even the boss man grabbed it 2 times and he knew it was broke. Anyway, we're going to get some bushings. As you can see, there's a gap. When you pick it up, it just flops. I'm going to fix the box. I'm going to fix the door tomorrow. And then the exhaust up there is rusted through and busted and been squeezed together. And as you can see, the hood has been dented in. We're going to get that ordered. Get some bolts for the cutting edges. Get new teeth, because they're K90 teeth. It's a 1.5 yard bucket. Get some odd and end things going and get her back on the road. We're going to try and tack all this up and try and finish out this day. We're going to fire up the old 200 and let her purr for a little bit. Well, I got that complete. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but with what I had to work with and couldn't get my grind in there and smooth it all up, that's the best thing to do. But you are not going to fall off there no more. And I got this door fixed. Best I could do with what I have, with a sledgehammer and a little pry bar. Yep, don't look at the inside. Do not look at the inside. But it's fixed. It closes, well, it closes. Now all I gotta do is a little fix old backup camera, because it's kind of looking over yonder behind you. So you're not gonna hit anything on that side of the tractor while you're backing up. And then tomorrow we're going to focus on this box, because this lid closes and this hinge hits here. As you can see, it's been rubbing. I'm gonna try and get this box pushed out. If I can't, I will take the box off and then I'll try and work it that way. I'm not a body man, I'm a dirt man, and I can weld it. Then we're gonna try and focus on this handrail. As you can tell, it is bent right yonder. Try and get it straightened back up. Got to get my hammer. Just now noticed it. And then we will focus on the hood. It's not that bad, really. But the next thing is just push it out a little bit. Fix the old rod. Put a nut on there. And then we are going to order a new exhaust, because it's blowed out all the way around the side. But anyway, that's what we're done. I hope y'all have a blessed and wonderful Monday afternoon.